In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate EMI and present value in Microsoft Excel. We'll be working through a simple example in an Excel workbook, and the goal is to use built-in formulas so you can calculate loan-related values quickly and accurately. This is especially useful if you're comparing financing options, estimating monthly payments, or figuring out the value of a repayment plan. To begin, open the workbook. Once it's open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the values for the EMI calculation are placed in cells A1 through B5, and the values for the present value calculation are placed in cells A8 through B12. Setting up your worksheet clearly like this makes the formulas easier to follow and helps avoid mistakes when referencing cells. Let's start with EMI. EMI stands for equated monthly installments, which is the fixed amount paid every month toward a loan. To calculate it in Excel, click on cell B5, then type the formula equals PMT, open parenthesis, B2 divided by 12, comma, B3 multiplied by 12, comma, negative B4, and then close the parenthesis. After that, press enter. Excel will now calculate the monthly EMI based on the interest rate, the loan term, and the loan amount. Dividing by 12 converts the annual interest rate into a monthly rate, and multiplying the number of years by 12 converts the loan term into total monthly payments. The negative sign before the loan amount is important because Excel uses cash flow direction, and this helps return the payment as a positive value. Now let's move on to present value. Present value is used to determine the current worth of a series of future payments. In other words, it helps you understand how much a repayment stream is worth today. Click on cell B12, then enter the formula equals PV, open parenthesis, B9 divided by 12, comma, B10 multiplied by 12, comma, negative B11, and then close the parenthesis. Press enter. Excel will calculate the present value based on the monthly payment, the interest rate, and the repayment period. Just like before, dividing by 12 changes the annual interest rate into a monthly rate, and multiplying by 12 converts the term into the total number of monthly periods. The negative sign before the payment keeps the results aligned with Excel's financial formula conventions. And that's it. You've now calculated both EMI and present value in Microsoft Excel using the PMT and PV functions. If you keep your data organized and pay attention to monthly versus annual values, these formulas become very easy to use in everyday financial analysis.